Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, we are visiting one of the most beautiful beaches in the world, Nacpan Beach in El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. I am excited to take you along and show you the breathtaking views and activities that this paradise has to offer. Nacpan Beach is a beautiful destination located in El Nido, Palawan, Philippines. It is considered one of the best beaches in the world and is a must-visit for any beach lover. One of the highlights of Nacpan Beach is its stunning scenery. The beach boasts crystal-clear, turquoise waters and soft, powdery white sand. It is surrounded by lush greenery and is the perfect place to unwind and relax. Aside from the beautiful scenery, Nacpan Beach offers a range of activities for visitors to enjoy. You can go swimming, snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking, or simply lounge on the beach and soak up the sun. The beach is also great for beach sports such as volleyball. The local cuisine is another reason to visit Nacpan Beach. You can find a variety of fresh seafood and traditional Filipino dishes that are sure to delight your taste buds. You can also enjoy tropical fruit drinks or coconut water while lounging on the beach. The local culture is rich and vibrant, and there are plenty of opportunities to immerse yourself in it. You can visit nearby villages and interact with the friendly locals, learn about their customs and traditions, and even attend local festivals and events. One thing to keep in mind is that Nacpan Beach can get crowded during peak season, so it's best to plan your visit accordingly. Additionally, the beach is quite secluded, and transportation can be challenging, so be sure to plan ahead and arrange for transportation in advance. In conclusion, Nacpan Beach is a beautiful and unforgettable destination that should be on every traveler's bucket list. With its stunning scenery, range of activities, delicious food, and rich culture, it offers an experience like no other. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channel. Hit the notification bell to notify you every time we upload a new video. Keep safe and have a good day.